Guwahati, then she'll proceed onwards.
The Health Department has reassured the public that there is no need to panic over the human metapneumovirus or Hmpv, stating they are fully prepared to handle any eventuality. Principal Secretary Sampat Kumar confirmed that an advisory has been issued to raise awareness and necessary support systems are in place if needed. While no cases of Hmpv have been reported in the state so far, Kumar emphasized the importance of taking precautions, particularly for individuals with fever or respiratory symptoms. The department is closely monitoring pediatric cases and reinforcing hygiene practices, urging the public to wear masks and maintain hand hygiene.
It's a known virus, not like an unknown virus. It creates flu-like symptoms. Basically, the cause of concern was that, like whatever the reports that actually the media has brought out, is that there are a large number of cases in some parts of the world. So, how actually that can have an impact in India? We have seen is that first of all, we try to look at all the influenza-like symptoms, like what kind of how many fever cases are there across the state, and are there any trends that there is a surge in those fever cases. So there's no surge, there's no unusual pattern that we can see in our state. So there's nothing to be worried about that one.